Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video I'm going to show you around the warehouse, one of the warehouse, the smaller one of Primatec.hu. They have a bigger one too, but we are going to have a look at only the smaller one where they have products readily available for the online orders, to fulfill the online orders. As I said, it's only a warehouse, it's not a shop, so you cannot just walk in and buy things. But we'll see, maybe it is going to change in the future. Anyhow, let's roll. Alright boys and girls, that was the smaller warehouse of Primatec.hu. I hope you liked it. I definitely did. And yeah, basically that's it. In case you are anywhere nearby Hungary, you are more than welcome to place the orders and the guys will help you out. Other than that, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.